ले लो जाके उठ के, मम्मी को क्या उठा दे। किसको आना है तो बोल दो, आने के लिए बोल दो। कोई आ रहा है कि हवा चल रहा है?
Who is knocking, Babu?
Okay, I'm going to start. Okay. Hello friends, I'm going to start the illustration number 13 of portfolio management CMA final SFM. Okay, please read the questions here. This is one of the simplest questions. In this question, what is asking to you? The historically rates of the return of the two securities of past 10 years are given. Number of observations, that is 10. Calculate the covariance of covariance and correlation of coefficient between two securities. Look at here. Covariance xy, the formula of this is 1 upon n summation x minus x bar y minus y bar. Assume return of a is x and return of b is y, and coefficient of correlation equal to covariance xy, a standard deviation of x, a standard deviation of y. What is the formula of a standard deviation of x? A standard deviation x root under 1 upon n summation x minus x bar whole square. Exactly the same as standard deviation y is calculated 1 upon n summation y minus y bar whole square. So this is the solution, this is the formula applied in this formula, and you are taught from class 10 to calculate a standard deviations, covariance, correlation right now. Okay, let's start these questions. This is your x. Similarly, you have to calculate y here. Thereafter, x minus x bar, y minus y bar. Then calculate x minus x bar whole square, y minus y bar whole square. Then you calculate x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Look at it, x 12 8 7 12 8 7 14 16 15 14 16 15 18 26 18 26 22. Okay. Now y is 20, 22, 24, 20, 22, 24, 18, 15, 20, 18, 15, 20, 24, 25, 24, 24, 25, 24. This is the 18. Now look at here, the total is 148. This total is 210. Now x bar is calculated summation x divided by n. 148 divided by 10, that equal to 14.8. Y bar is calculated summation y divided by n. 210 divided by this is a 21. This is a simple way of calculating x bar and y bar. In this case, x minus x bar, 12 minus 14.8, 12 minus 14.8, this is a minus 2.8, 8 minus 14.8, that is 8 minus 14.8 minus 6.8, 24, this is 7 minus 14.8, 7 minus 20.4, 7 minus 20, this is the minus 7.8, 14 minus 14.8 minus 0.8 here, 16 minus 14.8 1.2, 15 minus 0.8, this is a 0.2, 18 minus 14.8, this is a 3.2, 20 minus 14.8, 20 minus 14.8, 20 minus 14.8, this is a 5.2, 5.2, 6 minus 14.8, 16, this is 16, I think, this is 16, 16 minus 14.8, that is 1.2, 1.2, 22 minus 14.8, that is 7.2. Okay, now you have to calculate y minus y bar. Y minus y bar, this is 20 minus 21, that is minus 1, 22 minus 21, that is 1, 24 minus 21, this is your 3, 18 minus 21 minus 3, 15 minus 21 minus 6, 20 minus 21, that equal to minus 1, 24 minus 21, this is 3, 25 minus 21, this is 4, 24 minus 21, this is 3, 18 minus 21 minus 3. Now x minus x bar, 2.8 whole square, that equal to 7.84, 6.8 whole square, 46.24, 0.8 whole square, 0.64, 1.2 whole square, 1.44, 0.2 whole square, 0.04, 0.04, 2.8, 7.6.46, 7.8 here, 7.8, 7.8 whole square, that is equal to 60.84. Here is 60.84, 0.8, 1.2, this is this 3.2 whole square, 10.24, 10.24, 5.2 whole square, 27.04, 1.2 whole square, 1.44, 1.44, this is 7.2 whole square, 51.84, 51.84, look at it. .84. Then what will be x minus x bar? 207.60. Similarly, y minus y bar whole square, 1 square minus 1 square, 1 square 1, this is a 9, this is a minus 3, this is a 9, this is 36, this is 1, this is 9, this is 16, this is a 9, this is minus 3, this is also 9, and this is your 100. Now x minus x bar into y minus y bar, in this case minus 2.8 into minus 1, this is 2.8, minus 6.8 into 1, this is minus 6.8, minus 7.8 into 3, minus 23.4, minus 8 minus 3, 2.4, 1.2 into minus 6, 1.2 into minus 6, that equal to minus 7.2, minus 2 into minus 1, 0.2 into minus 1, that equal to minus 0.2. Here 3.2 into 3, this is equal to 9.6. 5.2 into 4, 20.8, 20.8. 1.2 into 3, 1.2 into 3, this is 3.6. 7.2 into minus 3, 7.2 into minus 3, minus 21.6. After adding this, you will get minus 20. Then now, calculation of covariance. Calculation of covariance of x and y. Covariance of x and y. Covariance xy equal to 1 by n summation x minus x bar y minus y bar 1 upon 10 into summation x minus x bar y minus y bar is this sum of this is 20 minus 20 into minus 20, this is minus 2, minus 2. Okay, now calculation of a standard deviation of x. The standard deviation formula is 1 upon n x minus x bar whole square. What is the root under this? 1 upon 10. This is summation. This is summation. The x minus x bar is 207.60. Here 207.60. A standard deviation root under 1 by 10, 207.60 root under 20.760, 20.760. The formula of this 4.55 standard deviation x. Now calculation of a standard deviation y. A standard deviation y. A standard deviation y equal to root under 1 upon n summation y minus y bar whole square. 1 upon n, this is the 1 upon 10. What is the sum of this? Y minus y bar, this is the 100. 100 root under 10, this is root under 10. This is 3.162. 3.162. Now you have to calculate coefficient of correlation. Calculation of coefficient of correlation. Calculation of coefficient of correlation. Coefficient of correlation Rxy minus covariance xy estimation x estimation y. What is the covariance of xy? You have calculated minus 2. This you write here minus 2. A standard deviation of x is 4.55. 4.55 into a standard deviation of y 3.162. 3.162 minus 0.1390. This is the coefficient of correlation. This question is very easy questions, and you have to keep in your mind the formula of standard deviations, formula of covariance, formula of coefficient of correlation. Okay, thank you class. Please subscribe, like and share my videos as much as you can. Okay, thank you very much.